Is your engine feeling tired? Maybe it's slow to start, sounds rough, or burns more gas than it should. You're not alone. The truth is, most of what makes an engine feel old is completely avoidable. In this video, I'll show you 10 simple tricks that will have you doing this and making your engine run like new again. We're not talking about expensive overhauls or dropping your car off at the shop for a week. We're talking about simple, actionable steps that put you back in control. And at the end, I'll reveal one tiny detail that could be the real game changer. It's the one most mechanics don't even mention. Let's get into it. Number 10, the timely oil change. The oil change is the single most important maintenance task you can perform. It's the lifeblood of your engine, and neglecting it is a one-way ticket to a worn-out motor. Think of your engine as a complex system of gears and moving parts, all rubbing against each other at high speeds. Oil provides a microscopic layer of protection, keeping metal from touching metal. Without it, you'd get catastrophic friction, intense heat, and a very expensive paperweight. The biggest oil change myth is the old 3,000-mile rule. That's a relic from the past, designed for older cars using conventional oil. The truth? Your car's owner's manual holds the magic number. It's the definitive guide to your specific vehicle. Many modern cars running on synthetic oil can easily go 7,000 to 10,000 miles between changes. Some European cars can even stretch that to 15,000 miles. Don't let myths or the quick lube clerk decide for you. They're motivated to get you in and out and sell you services you don't need. The quality of your oil also matters. Conventional oil is fine for older engines, but synthetic oil is a game changer. It's engineered to withstand extreme temperatures and resist breakdown better than conventional oil. For a high-mileage engine, synthetic oil can provide superior protection, cleaning deposits, and reducing sludge buildup. When you change your oil, you're not just replacing a fluid. You're replacing a fluid filled with microscopic metal particles, dirt, and byproducts of combustion. It's like replacing a rusty, clogged artery with a clean one. By following the manufacturer's timeline and using the right oil, your engine will stay smoother, cleaner, and stronger for the long haul. Number 9, the coolant check. An overheated engine is a dead engine. Catastrophic failure is just a few degrees away, and the resulting repair bill can be thousands of dollars. That's why coolant is so crucial. It's your engine's internal AC system, regulating temperature and preventing both overheating in the summer and freezing in the winter. You should check your coolant every few months or before any long road trip. Look for the translucent reservoir under the hood and make sure the level is between the low and full markings. If it's low, don't just add water. Proper mixture of antifreeze and distilled water is essential. The antifreeze contains corrosion inhibitors that protect the metal parts of your cooling system. A simple 50-50 mix is the standard, but always check your owner's manual for the specific type of coolant your car requires. If you're constantly having to top off your coolant, you likely have a hidden leak. This could be from a cracked hose, a faulty radiator cap, or even a damaged water pump. A simple pressure test at a mechanic can find the source of the leak before it becomes a major problem that leaves you stranded on the side of the road. Keeping your coolant fresh and topped off is one of the easiest ways to ensure your engine runs cool and your wallet stays full. Number 8, the spark plug inspection. Tiny but mighty, spark plugs are the unsung heroes of your engine. They're like the heart of your engine's combustion cycle, creating the tiny spark that ignites the air-fuel mix that powers your car. But over time, these plugs wear down. Their gaps widen, their electrodes erode, and they get covered in carbon deposits. When that happens, your engine loses power, struggles to start, and wastes fuel. It's like trying to start a campfire with a wet match. It's just not going to work. Most modern iridium spark plugs can last up to 100,000 miles, but don't just set and forget. Check them periodically. Look for signs of wear like carbon buildup, a black, sooty coating, or oil deposits. If they're a mess, swap them out for the correct type, recommended in your owner's manual. A fresh set can make your engine roar again, restoring power and fuel efficiency. You can often do this yourself with a few simple tools, saving hundreds on labor. Plus, checking your spark plugs can give you a lot of information about the health of your engine. A white, chalky appearance could indicate your engine is running too hot, while a black, oily coating could signal a larger issue like worn piston rings. Number 7, the tire pressure check. This one may sound unrelated, but tire pressure is a direct link to engine performance. Underinflated tires drag on your engine, forcing it to work harder and burn more fuel. It's a silent killer of fuel economy. When a tire is low on air, more of its surface touches the road, increasing friction. Imagine pushing a shopping cart with a wobbly wheel. It's just harder to push. That's what your engine feels. Proper tire pressure not only enhances fuel efficiency, but also ensures safer handling and extends tire life. Check your tire pressure at least once a month or before a long road trip. The recommended PSI is usually on a sticker inside the driver's door, not on the tire itself. By maintaining the right pressure, you'll not only save money at the pump, but also get a smoother, safer ride. On top of pressure, check your tire tread. Uneven wear can be a sign of poor wheel alignment, which also forces your engine to work harder and can wear out suspension components prematurely. Get a simple alignment check every 6,000 to 10,000 miles to keep your car running straight and true. Number 6. The fuel quality choice. Putting premium fuel in a car that doesn't need it is a waste of money. The key difference is the octane rating, which measures a fuel's resistance to engine knock, not its power. An engine designed for regular gas won't benefit from higher octane, and in some cases it can actually reduce performance. The real secret is to use top-tier gasoline. This isn't just marketing hype. Top-tier fuels contain a specific blend of added detergents that keep your fuel system clean. Lower quality gas can leave behind carbon deposits that clog injectors and sensors, making your engine lose power and guzzle more fuel. For extra protection, consider adding a fuel system cleaner like Techron or Seafoam every few thousand miles. This is especially helpful if you drive an older car or you've recently purchased a used car and you don't know its fuel history. Your car doesn't need race gas, but it does deserve clean, reliable fuel. Number 5. The fuel filter change. Your fuel filter is your engine's bodyguard. It stops dirt, rust, and debris from reaching your delicate fuel injectors and combustion chamber. But when it gets clogged, it chokes fuel flow, causing poor engine performance and potential misfires. It's like trying to drink a thick milkshake through a straw with a hole in it. You can get some, but it's a struggle. Most fuel filters can last about 30,000 to 40,000 miles. However, this can be sooner if you live in an area with low-quality gas or use older fuel tanks. A simple replacement can restore power and smoothness to your ride, preventing more expensive problems down the line. It's a quick, easy fix that ensures your engine gets the clean fuel it needs to run its best. Number 4. The belts and hoses inspection. Belts and hoses rarely get attention until they fail. A snapped serpentine belt can leave you stranded, shutting down your power steering and alternator. A burst radiator hose can lead to overheating and a blown head gasket, which is a very expensive repair. These are small parts that can cause major headaches. Once a month, pop the hood and do a quick inspection. Look for cracks, fraying, or shiny spots on belts. Squeeze hoses to feel for bulges or soft spots. Replace anything questionable before it breaks. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding unexpected breakdowns. A small investment in new belts and hoses today can save you from a major roadside headache tomorrow. Number 3. The battery and terminals check. A weak battery means your starter has to work overtime. You'll notice the engine cranking slowly, especially on cold mornings. This isn't just annoying, it puts unnecessary strain on your starter and other electrical components. Check your battery terminals for corrosion, a white, powdery substance. This corrosion can prevent a good electrical connection, which robs your battery of its power. To fix it, disconnect the terminals, clean them with a baking soda and water mixture, and then tighten them back up. A healthy battery ensures a quick start and keeps your electrical system running strong. Most car batteries last between 3 and 5 years, so if yours is older, it might be time for a replacement before it leaves you stranded. Number 2. The transmission fluid change. Just like engine oil, your transmission fluid degrades over time. It gets contaminated with tiny metal shavings and loses its lubricating properties. Over time, this fluid turns into sludge, causing rough shifts and costly transmission failure. A fluid change, typically every 30,000 miles, is cheap insurance. This simple task keeps your gears running smoothly and prevents a 4-figure repair bill down the line. Check your owner's manual for the exact interval, but don't ignore it. It's easy to overlook, but a neglected transmission can kill your car faster than almost any other issue. Number 1. The throttle body cleaning. The throttle body is your engine's throat. It controls the amount of air that flows in. Over time, it gets gummed up with dirt and carbon, choking your engine. This leads to rough idling, sluggish acceleration, and poor throttle response. It's a common issue, and the fix is simple. You'll need a can of throttle body cleaner and a rag. The process is simple. Disconnect the air intake duct and spray the cleaner inside. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the interior and the butterfly valve, ensuring you don't force it open. It's like giving your engine a breath of fresh air. This job takes only a few minutes and restores power you didn't even know you were missing. The hidden gem. Perform a regular emissions check. This isn't just about compliance, it's about engine health. Your car's emissions system is designed to burn off leftover gases and pollutants, but it also directly impacts performance. A clogged catalytic converter or a failing oxygen sensor can rob your engine of power and cause it to run poorly. By doing a regular emissions check, you can catch problems early. The check will pinpoint issues that can cause a decline in performance and fuel economy before they become major headaches. A clean engine is a healthy engine. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more great tips from Make Car Go. Drive safe and take care of your car like it's a part of the family. Until next time, happy driving.